This is actually where I keep my kefir, both my water kefir and my milk kefir grains. Now you can see this is my water kefir. See, they have grown. How much they have grown? I've actually already shared half of like 3 or 4 tablespoonful to my friend Asim. That was like a week ago, and now they've doubled again. Uh, have grown. With the water kefir, it's very easy and obvious to see the grains forming, and you can watch them grow. This is my milk kefir sitting on my bottle with a strainer on top of it and a piece of tissue paper just to protect it from the dust and everything else. This is my second fermentation. It's now running for 3 days. Actually, I was just trying to see the clear way and the curd forming. Then I'm gonna share the way to my friend who's suffering from eczema, and I hope it works. Now this is from my last batch, which I did last night only. You can see that the whey had and the curd had separated very beautifully, and that is because this one is very strong. I put a teaspoon of sugar of unrefined palm sugar with my last batch of milk kefir, which I did yesterday. And just the same, I'm planning to use all this whey, not just to share with my friend, but also I'm trying my hand on doing sauerkraut. This is my sauerkraut bottle. I don't know if you can see it, but on the looks of it, I don't know if I was successful. It smells terrible. I just couldn't imagine. I'll probably just throw this first batch away tomorrow, and maybe I'm gonna try doing sauerkraut with the regular green cabbage, and I'll probably be using some of my whey as a culture starter. Let's see how that works. So that's it. That's my ongoing kefir journey. Today is the 12th of January 2011. It's been like nearly 2 weeks since I started culturing kefir, my sauerkraut, and I'm gonna introduce you to my birds. This is my These are my budgies, and this is Poggy, my canary that a friend of mine, Badr, gave me several years back. And I have a separate video with him where it will appear like I'm talking to him and asking him to sing, and he was like gladly doing it and enjoying it. But anyway, you'll find the link to our video, which mashallah have already received 13,000 views since I posted it. Just visit my links and the videos that I uploaded. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.